Taking a look at the LUXE Bidet Neo 320 Plus. So this is an upgrade to your existing features. You don't need to do anything except take off the seat and then put the Neo 320 Plus in and hook it up to your water. Let's take a look. This is the box that it ships in. It's not very large. Very popular Bidet series. Let's open this one up. And as you can see, the instructions are pretty much right here at the top. You can fill out all the owner's information, and then it shows you in simple pictures how to install. So that's pretty nice. Try this travel bag as a gift. That's nice. So we've got all the plumbing that we're going to need, and it's done with hoses, so you don't need to use any pipes or anything. And then the bidet fixture itself goes in, and it can adjust to any size seat or throne you've got. You've got your controls over here on the side, and they'll be controlled 100% through water, no electricity. And this way, you tap into your existing water line that's going to your toilet. You pull into this before it goes to the toilet, and now you get pure water from the water line. For the person installing it, you've got the owner's manual with more detailed instructions. Very well made, high quality. I like these controls. Looking forward to having this one installed. This gives you an idea of how they ship. I want to thank LUXE for giving us this opportunity. Hope this helps.